Yeah, good morning. Yeah, so the answer for question number 15, is क्या? Normal duration how many days? 13 days, and the cost is 16,625. Optimum duration, 10 days, cost 16,000. Minimum duration 9 days. Super, this is the correct answer, I guess. ठीक है. Now we'll do the last problem on crashing before we start PERT. So that from tomorrow most probably we'll start with, or day after tomorrow we'll start with costing. I guess till now you got two materials. Hello. One is basic concepts, one is key factor बोल के रहता. Okay, key factor और product mix very important है. चलो क्वेश्चन नंबर 20 में आओ. Read the question. This I will do. This I will do. Read the question. ठीक है. Listen. Activities are given. Yes or no बोलो what? Yes. Normal duration. ये क्या है? This is what? Crashed duration. Last one क्या है? This is cost slope. ठीक है. What is my cost per day? Louder रे. 150. Correct no रे? Okay. What is my normal cost? 6,000. The only extra point in this problem is this includes a penalty clause. 80 over until if my project completes beyond 90 days, I have to pay a penalty to my client of rupees 80 for every day beyond 19 days. Beyond 19 days. You say start, will start. पक्का? चलो. Activities बोलो. Louder है. 1 to 2. 1 to 3. Don't copy, I'll give you time. 2 to, तो ये 4 करो, ये 3 करो. 2 to 4. 2 to 5. 3 to 6. 4 to 6. 5 to 6. అయిపోయిందా? నార్మల్ డ్యూరేషన్ చెప్పండి. 1 to 2 7. 1 to 3 9. 1 to 4 7. 2 to 4 4. 2 to 5 6. 3 to 6 13. 4 to 6 8. 5 बोलो to reach 6. 1 to 2. 2 to 5. 5 to 6. ड्यूरेशन बोलो. वेश वाले बोलो रहा. 90. Next one. 1 to 2. 2 to 4. చెప్పండి. This also 90. 1 to 3. 3 to 6. क्या रे? 100. और एक क्या है? 1 to 4. 4 to 6. 15. Anything else? बोलो रे. No. So my critical path is 1 to 3, which will be denoted by double R. Clear? At this, what will be equal? यहाँ तक clear? Let us write E's for the balance first. E 2 के लिए 0 plus 7, 5 के लिए 7 plus 6, 13. 4 के लिए 0 plus 7, 0 plus 7, 7 plus 4, whichever is higher. We covered this, no रे? Whichever is, चलो L करेंगे. We go backwards. यहाँ कितना है? 22 minus 6. Wasteful. 22 minus 6 रे 16. 16 minus 6 10. ठीक है. 4 के पास देखेंगे. 4 is going एकड़ा 6. 22 minus 8. 22 minus 8 అయిపోయింది. यहां तक स्टोरी क्लियर. उसके बाद आप क्या करना, यू विल कॉपी द नंबर ऑफ डेज अवेलेबल फॉर क्रैशिंग, कॉस्ट, स्लोप. उसके नीचे you will copy this paths, this being path number 1, this being 4. Before we start, what is normal duration? 22 days. Cost is equals to normal cost, louder ray, 6,000. Overhead cost 150 into 22. करो बाबा. 3,300. Will penalty apply? Yes, because I am completing beyond 90 days. How many days extra? 20, 21, 22. 20, 21, 22. 3 days. 3 days into 80. कितना? So total cost is, this is a basics we start the problem with. पूछ रहा क्या? draw the అయిపోయింది. Find the normal duration is 22. Minimum we don't know. Compute the associated with 9540. Third bit, lowest cost ante optimum duration. So you are asking all three, optimum, minimum and normal. Normal is completed, we have to do optimum and minimum. Basics clear. The only extra point in this problem is penalty clause. Okay, then we will do this together. ठीक है, यहाँ तक करो. क्वेश्चन नंबर क्या है? 20. चलो स्टार्ट करें. हाँ बोलो, स्टार्ट करें. ठीक है. चलो मेरे को पहले एक्टिविटीज बोलो लाउडर है. 1 2 2 1 2 3 1 2 4 2 2 4 2 2 5 3 2 6 4 2 6 5 2 6. डेज अवेलेबल बोलो. 2 4 3 0 2 4 3 0. कॉस्ट स्लोप बोलो. 90 100 40 डैश ले लो यहाँ पे. 50 210 60 डैश. एंड क्रिटिकल पाथ क्या है? 1 2 3 3 2 6. दिस इज माई क्रिटिकल पाथ. ओके, पाथ्स बोलो. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 3 2 6. ड्यूरेशन 22 days. चलो नेक्स्ट. 1 2 2 2 2 5. हाँ 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 हाँ. ओके नेक्स्ट. ठीक, यहां तक यू आर रेडी. वी स्टार्ट. अब अगर आप यहां तक रेडी है, वी स्टार्ट. एवरीवन चल. कॉस्ट क्रिटिकल पाथ एक्टिविटीज क्या है? कॉस्ट स्लोप लाउडर है. विल स्टार्ट विथ हाउ मेनी डेज? 22 will become, this will be 19, this will be 15. So this cannot be 18, this can be maximum 19. So I can crash this not by 4 days, by, so number of days available will be 1. ఈ మాట అర్థమైందా? Do it with me together now. First crashing low. हाँ, 22 will become lighter 19. This will be 19. This will be 50. अब थोड़ा समझ में आ रहा? लीव थोड़ा स्पेस. कैलकुलेशन ऑफ कॉस्ट. ठीक है, कैलकुलेशन ऑफ कॉस्ट. इवेंट क्या? इवेंट फर्स्ट क्रैशिंग. विच एक्टिविटीज वी क्रैश्ड? 1 2 3. कॉस्ट स्लोप 100 per day. Days crashed 3 days. Clear? Now project cost. क्या cost है? चलो once again, sorry. हाँ, project cost. सुनो और एक ऐड करो इसमें. ड्यूरेशन कितना आया? 19 days आया ना रे. प्रोजेक्ट कॉस्ट ये देखो, ये क्या है? दैट विल रिमेन सेम. चलो ये क्या है? 150 पर डे इंटू 19 2850. ये क्या है? పెనాల్టీ రాదు రవేశ్వలో. ఎందుకు రాదు? బియాండ్ 19 days ఉండాలి. एक्सेस ऑफ 19 days रहना नहीं है तो कई को पेनाल्टी. टोटल 8850. यहां तक नहीं समझ में आए तो समथिंग रॉन्ग विथ माई टीचिंग. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఈ బోలర్ యు ఆర్ సాటిస్ఫైడ్ రవేశ్వర్? ఆర్ యూ థాట్ వాడు ఏం చెప్తున్నాడు వాడికే తెలుసు, పొద్దున వస్తాడు 10 minutes లేట్ వెళ్ళిపోతాడు. कुछ है तो बोल दो बाबा, I'll change, but I am doing whatever is the best for you regarding the problems at least. Okay, any doubts here? ये कॉपी करो. हाँ sorry, crashing cost ऐड करो. crashing cost is 300 per day into 300. correct no re? So total will be draw one line here. This completes the first crashing. Good. चलो कॉपी करो यहाँ तक. कि ये बुस बुस क्या हो रहा रे? क्या हुआ? वाई सो मेनी एब्सेंटीज? कुछ फेस्टिवल है क्या रे आज? सर अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग, द ओनली थिंग आई एक्सपेक्ट फ्रॉम यू इज कम डेली. With the casting में you miss one class, it has an impact on other classes, so please do not miss that. In your study material, key factor में you have 2 problems or whatever material you got today. Product mix, we'll do around 15 problems. हो गया? वो जल्दी करो रे. We will start. I'll give you the background of part today. Background will take 1 hour. ठीक है guys? ठीक है. चल, hope you got some material today, yesterday evening or afternoon. नहीं देखे? That you take a printout, but don't do anything right now. Once the syllabus is, that is extra problems which my material do not have. That's for practice. That is along with solutions. Those are given along with, taken from your latest scanner. आपके स्कैनर में से लिए सो है सर. तो रीसेंट एग्जामिनेशन प्रॉब्लम्स दोज आर. ठीक है, चलो अब सुनो रे. क्रिटिकल पाथ क्या है? लीस्ट कॉस्ट. आई कैन क्रैश बाय, so this will become 0. So 19 will be louder ray 18, but these two will remain at 19. So this also I should reduce by 1 day. ఈ రెండులో ఇన్ కామన్ యాక్టివిటీ ఉందా? That also will reduce by 1 day. So this will become 18. This will remain at. ఈ మాట అర్థమైందా? ठीक है, ये लिखो पहले. ठीक है गाइस, अब చెప్పండి విచ్ యాక్టివిటీ క్రాష్ చేసినాం మనం 1 2 3 100 per day was a one day. Next 90 for one day. Duration became 18 days. Normal cost will remain at 6,000. Overhead cost will be 150 into 18. Louder, Ray. Penalty will be 0. Crashing cost will be 300 plus 100 into 1 100 plus 90 into 1 90 400 490 190 9190. This is second crashing. 1 second on the board. 1 second on the board, Ray. Crashing cost कितना है? टोटल 190. ఒక డే రెడ్యూస్ అయితే 150 సేవ్ అవుతుంది. ఓవర్ హెడ్ కాస్ట్ బాబా. If I reduce by 1 day, cost is increasing by 190. Cost is saved by net extra cost plus 40 చేయండి. It's magic. बाबा आपको मैं कॉन्सेप्ट समझा रहा हूं. ये सब नॉनसेंस करने की जरूरत नहीं है. विथ लॉजिक ऑल्सो यू विल गेट द सेम आंसर. You are saving 150. Your extra cost is 190. So definitely your net cost, extra incremental cost बोलते हैं इसको 40. If I add 40 to 9150, ये मतलब महाभारत लिखने की भी जरूरत नहीं. But I will show both. I told you yesterday also. Copy this. चल ठीक है गाइस. चलो now we come to third crash. सुनो रे 1 2 3 2 1 2 3 బుస్ అయిపోయింది. We are left only with which can be crashed by 4 days. So 18 will become 14. Okay. But what is the common activity between these two? 1 2 which is available for. So it's better we crash this also by 1 day. So 4 will become 1 kadra wasteful 3 and this 1 will become 0. So 18 will become 17 15. यहां तक कॉपी करो. ठीक है चलो. नाउ क्या वेस्ट फेलोस डू दिस ऑन योर ओन. नाउ Try this on your own, then I will do. ये ट्राई करो. सर गलत नहीं आना, अभी बोल रहा हूं. It should be correct answer. Who is taking direct taxes? Not yet started. ठीक है. Shall I try? Which activities are crashed? Huh? 1 to 2, 3 to 6. 1 to 2 का 90 and 3 to 6 का 2 10. Both are crashed by 1 day. Total is 17 days. Normal cost will be remain at 6,000. Overhead cost 150 into 17. 4,000. 2,550. Penalty will be 0. Crashing cost will be 490 plus 90 plus 210. Total 710. Correct no? Total. Sorry, my mistake. After marriage, my calculation got wrong. Kitara 9,340. So now logic. How much cost is increasing? Cost saving. Incremental cost. इसका 150 ऐड कर दो ये आता. ये सब नाटक का जरूरत ही नहीं है. Unnecessary wasting your time, but it's okay if you're following, understanding this. It's okay for me. Because the book what I follow Kalan Rubri book, उसमें से ये सब नहीं रहता, बेसिक्स कॉन्सेप्ट रहता. ठीक है. नाउ मैक्सिमम इन द एग्जाम 4th क्रैशिंग से ज्यादा नहीं रहता सर. कितना? उससे ज्यादा नहीं रहता. 100% नहीं रहता. चलो देखो अब यूज योर ब्रेन एंड टेल मी व्हाट टू डू. सुनो रे. हाउ मेनी डेज अवेलेबल? सुनते जाओ पहले, डोंट राइट एनीथिंग. सो ये 3 हो गया तो दिस विल बिकम 14. करेक्ट. सो दिस ऑल्सो शुड मेक इट 14. 1 to లేదు 2 to 2 days, 5 to 0. So this 17 can become 15 only. This 17 can become 15, and this I can make it 14, but that's not possible. I should also make this 15. So I should crash 3 to 6 not by 3 days, by. So available days are 1. 17 will become 15. This I am crashing which activity? 2 to 5, 0. This also becomes, this also 15 banana. 1 to 2 not there. 2 to 4 not there. 4 to 6 still. 3. There is no point of crashing 3 days. I will also crash here also by only 2 days. So this will become 15. This will become 13 days. Because I crashed 4 to 6 ఇక్కడ ఉంది. Further crashing. Further not बिकॉज सेकेंड पाथ 15 से कम नहीं हो सकता. विच पाथ? And first path should be greater than or equal to 15 because critical path will always remain critical. So अब बोलो मेरे को before you start writing which paths we crashed. अपन क्रैश करे 3 to 6. 3 to 6 we crashed, that is 210 for 2 days. Next we crashed 2 to 5. 2 to 5. 50 for 2 days. Next we crashed 4 to 6. 16 for 2 days. Duration reduced to 15 days. Normal cost 6,000. Overhead cost 2250. That is 150 into 15. Penalty 0. Crashing cost 7. 210 into 2 420. 50 into 2 100. 60 into 2 120. 1,4 is total 9,6. This is fourth crashing. Now before I give you time to note down how many cost we got. We got 5 cost. सुनो यहाँ पे first being 9,5 and plus 2 3 4 5. least cost कौन सा है? 9,1. 9,1. So this optimum duration at 9,150 it is 19 days and this is the cost. Normal duration कितना आया था? 22 days. Cost कितना आया था? 9,5 and minimum duration कितना है? 19, 18, 17, 15. Minimum duration is 15 and the cost associated is 9,6. This completes crashing का topic. Clear? पहले ये कॉपी कर लो. हो गया? ये कॉपी कर लिए यहां तक. ना कॉपी दिस पार्ट, लास्ट वन. Done? Sure? Copy this, the final answer. Guys, done? Heading. Heading. Concept of PERT. PERT. Concept of PERT. Sorry. Heading low. Program evaluation and review technique. Program evaluation and review technique. So this is one of the easiest concepts in networking diagram, but you should understand the logic here. Logic समझ में आती because 1 hour I'll spend only on the logic. लिखो below that. We'll do one example first. Example we will cover 10 cases. Then we start the problems. Under this concept, probability technique is used. Probability technique is used. And the following variables are used. Following variables are used. उसमें पॉइंट ए ऑप्टिमिस्टिक टाइम hyphen TO, it is denoted like this, TO. Point number 2, most likely time, hyphen TM. Third one, pessimistic time, you know what is optimistic, pessimistic बोलते हो? Optimistic बोलते being positive, pessimistic बोलते हो being negative. That's the English word. I'll explain this in networking diagram. Pessimistic time hyphen TP. ठीक है? Below that, duration of the activity is equals to, duration of an activity is equals to, क्या लिख रहे वापिस बोलो रे, is equals to, ये लिख लो, I'll explain everything when I do the problem. T0 plus 4Tm plus TP whole divided by 6, whole divided by 6. ठीक है? Below that, variance of an activity is equals to, variance of an activity is equals to, ये लिखो TP minus T0 by 6 whole square. सब समझा था सर, पहले लिख लो आप लोग. And the last one, standard deviation of the project is equals to, standard deviation of the project is equals to under root अंडर रूट में लिखो सम ऑफ वेरिएंसेस, sum of variances of critical path activities, sum of variances of critical path activities. ठीक है, example. Well, let us understand all this with an example. 4 columns I want. First column activity. First column क्या है? Activity. Second column optimistic time. Bracket में how is it denoted? TO. Next column most likely time. How is it denoted? TM. And next one pessimistic time, TP. चलो फर्स्ट कॉलम क्या है? राइट वन बाय वन. 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4, 2 to 5, 3 to 5, 4 to 6, 5 to 6. Next बोलो. 2 2 2 4 2 4 4 6. मैच हो रहा? नेक्स्ट वन most 2 8 4 2 10 10 12. And last one 14 14 16 2 28 16 30. ठीक है, let us use our brains properly first. यहाँ देखो रे, ठीक है. एक्टिविटीज बोलो 1 2 2. सुनते जाओ रे. 1 2 3. 2 2 3 to 5 4 to 6 5 to 6. ఇప్పుడు మనం ఇక్కడ ఏం రాస్తాం రా? क्या लिखते? ड्यूरेशन is not given, some other values are given, but what we want ड्यूरेशन 3 days 4 days जो भी है. सब क्या करना? अब मेरे को बोलो क्वेश्चन में क्या क्या दिया. एक्टिविटी बोलो वापस. 1 to 2 1 to 3 1 to 4 2 to 5 3 to 5 4 to 6 5 to 6. फर्स्ट कॉलम क्या है? नेक्स्ट उसके बाद T. बोलो 2 2 4 2 4 4 6. नेक्स्ट TP. Now use your brains. I'll explain the logic. First one, louder. 1 2 2 हटा दो. 1 2 3. The company is asking the workers, ये एक्टिविटी कब कंप्लीट होता? Who is asking whom? Workers are replying, if we do 100% productivity, 2 days లో అయిపోతుంది. 2 days లో if the workers are chiller workers and most of them are on leave, 14 days లో అయిపోతుంది. But seeing the history of the workers, 8 hours లో 1 hour they will be on WhatsApp, Facebook. We are estimating likely 8 days లో అయిపోతుంది. It's something like you're going outside with your friends, your mom is asking when will you come? 5 to 9 you're telling. Between most optimistic is 5, pessimistic is 9, likely 8 వరకు ఉంటా. That is called optimistic, most likely, pessimistic. But मेरे को क्या होना, मेरे को होना louder duration to write in this diagram. Formula is TG లో 4Tm plus TP whole divided by 6. The logic of the formula is, ये क्या है? We are giving one weight. We are giving 4 weights. We are giving 1 plus 4 plus 1. అందుకే divide by 6. అందుకే divide by వాల్యూస్ చెప్పండి తొందరగా, చంపేస్తా రాంగ్ చెప్తే. Someone do for other activities. Race चलिए टीम वर्क करो. चला first one 4. Someone do other activities. रे second one 8. बोलो रे. next 6. next one is 2. next one 12. next one 10. next one 14. is the first point clear? मళ్ళీ आड़ुना फर्स्ट पॉइंट क्लियर. चलो अब ये भी आ गया. ड्यूरेशन రాయాలి. పాస్ చెప్పండి, చెప్పండి రా. 5 to 6. అరే ఎడిషన్ చెప్పండి రా. 1 to 2, 2 to 5, 6 plus 14, 20. 1 to 3, 34. 1 to 4. నెక్స్ట్ అంతేయా? చెప్పండి రా. సో క్రిటికల్ పాత్ ఇస్, దిస్ ఈజ్ ద క్రిటికల్ పాత్. అవునా కాదా? దిస్ ఈజ్ ద క్రిటికల్ పాత్ డినోటెడ్ బై double R. E0 L0 E8 8 20 20 34 34. Let us do at 2 now. 0 plus 4 0. 20 minus 2 18. ఇక్కడ 0 plus 6 6. बैकवर्ड आना 24. 34 minus 10. यहाँ तक क्लियर? हेलो. चलो उसके बाद क्या लिखे? ड्यूरेशन के फॉर्मूला के बाद చెప్పండి రా. వేరియన్స్ ఆఫ్ అన్ యాక్టివిటీ. ఫార్ములా ఏంటి? टीपी माइनस T0 डिवाइडेड बाय 6 उसका होल स्क्वायर. पहले फॉर्मूला पहले सब्स्टिट्यूट कर देना. गिव द लॉजिक ऑफ दिस. हाँ 14 minus 2 रवीश फेलोस 12. 12 by 6 2 square. అమ్మా అర్థమైంది మీకు. చెప్పండి అట్లా. క్యారీ 4. నెక్స్ట్ 4. నెక్స్ట్ 0. నెక్స్ట్ 16. నెక్స్ట్ 4. Next 60. ठीक है, यहां तक क्लियर? बोलो बाबा, क्रिटिकल पाथ एक्टिविटीज क्या है? 1 to 3, 3 to 5, 5 to 6. Now understand the concept of, you are telling 1 to 3 you will complete in, but seeing your history there can be variance of both upwards or downwards, does not matter. You said I will come between 5 to 9, then your mom said seeing your background you will come at 10 o'clock. So the variance is akkada 1 hour. Plus or minus does not matter here. ठीक है, लास्ट थिंग बिफोर वी स्टार्ट द कॉन्सेप्ट, और एक चीज लिखे थे, स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट। फॉर्मूला क्या है? सम ऑफ वेरिएंस ऑफ क्रिटिकल पाथ एक्टिविटीज। అవునా కాదా? क्रिटिकल पाथ एक्टिविटीज क्या है? 1 to 3, 3 to 5, 5. 1 to 3 का वेरिएंस 4, 4 प्लस 3 to 5 का 16 प्लस 16, 36 का स्क्वायर 6। इसका मतलब मालूम, योर ड्यूरेशन केम टू, but there is a deviation of 6 days. It means seeing your history you can complete either by 28 also or 40. उतना deviation you have. Deviation बोले तो difference. Variance क्या होता है स्टैंडर्ड कास्टिंग में? वेस्ट फेलोस पढ़े ना रे इंटरमीडिएट लेवल में? व्हाट इज वेरिएंस? वेरिएंस क्या होता? Variance is nothing but difference between the standard cost and the actual cost. Standard is a predetermined cost. Actual is actual. For example, ये देखो रे, आपका एग्जाम कब है? माई सब्जेक्ट का एग्जाम कब है? एग्जाम कब है? जून लो, जुलाई लो, 27 जून, थर्ड ग्रुप, हाँ जो भी है। स्ट्रेटेजिक कॉस्ट मैनेजमेंट एंड डिसीजन मेकिंग बिफोर राइटिंग द, बिफोर మాకు 80 మార్క్స్ కావాలి, ఆఫ్టర్ రైటింగ్ ద ఐ am expecting 60 on aha 45. डिफरेंस कितना है ना? फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज विल यू बी हैप्पी और सैड? अच्छा जान दो, ऐसा करेंगे, यू गॉट 65, हैप्पी और सैड? Does you have any student in my class who will be not happy because they got 15 marks lower and close the door and keep crying for the next 2 days? You will compare 65 with 80 or 60? But 80 kuda you wanting 80 kada appudu. This 80 is called Bazat. This 60 is called standard. This 65 is called actual. उससे easy నాకు కూడా రాదు how to explain this. So you will always compare your actuals with standard, not with budgets. You only told me. I don't know anything of this sort. Difference of 5 is called variance. Here it will be favorable variance because you are happy. In when you do the problem, it can be adverse variance or favorable depending upon positive आया negative आया. Background clear यहाँ तक first, then we enter and start using the distribution table. 10 cases will cover first. पक्का? हाँ, पहले यहाँ तक कॉपी कर ले रहे। the concept. We'll cover 15 examples first, then we'll start the problems. Tomorrow 100% this your OR part will be completed. We are in costing, we are first starting with decision making concepts. First is a basic concepts we will do, followed by key factor or product mix, followed by make versus buy, followed by accept or reject order, followed by shutdown point. With this your marginal costing or decision making concepts will be done. 30 marks will come from that only. And finale will be the most complicated chapter I will complete with. That is the transfer pricing that I have kept at the end. ठीक है? Guys start. Now write examples. क्या लिख रहे? Examples. सुना सर, प्रोजेक्ट कितने दिन में कंप्लीट हो रहा मेरा? Now write example 1. क्या लिख रहे? लिखो. What is the probability? What is the probability that the project will be completed within 38 days? What is the probability that the project will be completed within 38 days? Suno, there's a formula for that. We use a formula or distribution table called, suno, I'll explain everything. Pada baba, Z is equals to, this you have in your financial management also. Pada, desired value minus mean by this. ऐसा. सुनो, ये क्या है? This is denoted by this. लिख लो ब्रैकेट में. सिग्मा बोलते हैं उसको. This is denoted by sigma. सुनो, चलो, ये क्या है? This will be given in the problem. He wants to complete the project in how many days? Louder है. So 38 is given. ये क्या है? This is the critical path duration. Louder है. 34 divided by sigma कितना आया? 4/6. कितना आ रहा? నాకు డెసిమల్స్ లో కావాలి రై. 0.66 or 0.67 both are fine. So Z is equals to 0.66. ठीक है. अब क्या करना? ओपन द डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन टेबल. ये क्या है? 0.0. ठीक है. ये क्या है? लाउडर है. सो रिमेंबर Z नेगेटिव वस्ते ई टेबल చూడాలి. హలో. और Z పాజిటివ్ వస్తే ఈ టేబుల్ చూడాలి. ఇస్ ద ఫస్ట్ పాయింట్ క్లియర్? హలో. చलो ఇంకా వినండి ఇప్పుడు. कितना आया? 6. ऐसा पढ़ना. सुनो, यहां देखो. 0.6 अंडर 6 చూడాలి. ఎట్లా చూడాలి? ఇక్కడ వినండి. లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ में 0.6 ఎక్కడ? ఇక్కడ. అక్కడ పైన 6 ఎక్కడ? ఇక్కడ. सी द स्क्रीन. उसका वैल्यू कितना आ रहा? 0.74. 74537 और 74.537%. అంతే, ఇంకా ఏం లేదు దీంట్లో. ఇంకా ఏం లేదు. నా యూజ్ యువర్ బ్రెయిన్స్. ఐ రిపీట్, యూజ్ యువర్ బ్రెయిన్స్. क्वेश्चन क्या था? Read the question once again. Project will be completed within. This is the answer. These are the chances that project will complete within. If the question says what is the probability that project will take beyond 38 days? Project will take beyond 38 days. 100 minus ఇది చేయాలి. Hello. Answer you will get. Within 38 days, this is the answer. But if the question says project will take beyond, what is the probability? Then answer will be 1 minus 0.745. जो भी answer आ रहा. So this you should be careful in the exam. Whether you are asking within or beyond that limit. Beyond करे तो 1 minus करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है? और just for your knowledge, एक ऐसा Z टेबल रहता, इसको नॉर्मल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन टेबल बोलते हैं. दिस विल बी 0.5. यहां మైనస్ ఇన్ఫినిటీ నుంచి ప్లస్ ఇన్ఫినిటీ ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, నాకు Z ఎంత వచ్చింది? సో వీఆర్ లైయింగ్ హియర్, దిస్ ఈజ్ అ Z వాల్యూ. ఐ వాంట్ విత్ ఇన్ ఆర్ బియాండ్. So I want this area. If he says I want this area, then నాకు ఈ ఏరియా కావాలి. ఈ ఏరియాకి ప్రాబబిలిటీ ఇస్ 0.74537. Z कितना आया? This is unrealistic value. क्या वैल्यू रे? We are converting into probability. We are converting the unrealistic value into probability by using normal Z distribution table. ये value of Z question में उन्हें देना. You cannot by heart these values. Only one person can do that. Rajnikant can do anything. Only he can. Sorry, Balaya also. Sorry, extremely sorry. First point clear. As a 10 examples will cover first, so that when I start the problems, everything will be very clear. मेरा intervention भी नहीं होना. You can do on your own all the problems then. यहाँ तक copy कर लो. So ये कैसा आया? 0.74. Check distribution table in 0.6, उसके अंडर 0.06. ठीक है? this you will try. Example 2. A diagram you should not draw in the exam. This only to explain you. Example 2. What is the probability? What is the probability that the project will be completed? That the project will be within 40 days. Within 40 days. करो रे, मार दो ना गलत करे तो. Carry Z value will be 40 minus 34 by 6 is equals to 1. You should check 1.0 under 0. 1.0 era under 0. 84134 is the answer. 84314 जो भी है 134 only. 84134 this is the answer. समझ में आया? Example 3. What is the probability that the project will be completed? Project will be beyond 36 days. Beyond 36 days. मैं करूं, ट्राई करते? हाँ करो. कैसा हो जा रहा है मेरा फोन? गांड फोन हो जा रहा है. Now listen, Z value कितना आया? Z value बाबा, Z value you should get 0.33. उसका equivalent value is 0.6293. This is the answer if the question says project is complete within 36 days, but we want. So answer will be 1 minus 6293. 0. This is the answer. 0.3707 is the answer. यहाँ तक क्लियर? हेलो, और करेंगे थोड़े एग्जाम्पल्स, थोड़ा हाई लेवल कराता हूं अब. एग्जाम्पल 4. What is the probability What is the probability that the project will be completed? Project will be within 34 days. What is the probability that the project will be completed within 34 days? Numerator will be 0. 34 minus 34. Z will be 0. 0 बोले तो we are in the middle. Middle बोले तो 0.5. You can check the table also. Or 50%. Or 50%. Whatever it is. 0. Z is equals to 0 आता रहा रे. Z 0 आया तो probability will be 50%. Ante this is 0. This is 0. उसका probability is 50%. चलो. Example 5. What is the probability? What is the probability that the project will be completed? Project will be completed beyond 34 days. Visual दिमाग कई गुला का तरह within 34 days एंटा 50. So beyond 34 also will be 50% only in kadra. 1 minus 0.5. चल थोड़ा अलग लेवल का कराएंगे. एग्जाम्पल, व्हाट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी? What is the probability that the project will be completed? Project will be completed 8 days earlier than expected. 8 days than expected. सुना रहे? फॉर्मूला क्या है Z का? क्या बोल रही कि क्या है कि Z इज इक्वल्स टू डिजायर्ड वैल्यू बस स्टैंड. ఓకే, డినామినేటర్ ఎంత? 6. మీన్ ఎంత? 34. డిజైర్డ్ వాల్యూ 8 days. 34 minus 8 26 రా బాబా, సారీ 26 మీనా రే. So you will get minus 8 by 6 minus 1.33. Go to minus table now. Under that 1.3, उसके अंदर 0.3, 0.09 रवेश फेलो 0.0917 और 9.176%. करेक्ट नो रे? आपको पॉजिटिव भी देखना आना, नेगेटिव भी देखना आना. फिर अब दिस इज नेगेटिव, सो वी शुड गो टू नेगेटिव वैल्यू टेबल. हो गया, लिख लो. 26 कैसा आया वापस पूछ रहा मैं. 34 minus 8. सिंपल सर, उसमें ग्रेट न्यूटन्स लॉ थोड़ी है वो, ये नहीं समझ में आता. ठीक, स्टार्ट करें. अभी थोड़ा उल्टा करेंगे. क्या करेंगे? एग्जाम्पल. Shavan, what will be the expected duration? What will be the expected duration when the percentage of completion is 95%? When the percentage of completion is, ऐसा नहीं करते क्या? मस्करापना है क्या? सुना, फार्मूला बोलो. Z is equals to desired minus mean by sigma. Desired value is what we have to find out. In all the 6 examples, what was given? ఇక్కడ ఇవ్వలేదు. Desired value was given. We did the probability. Here probability is given. We need to find out the desired value. Mean enta? 34 divided by 6. Use your brains now. Probability कितना दिया? 90? Nothing but 0.95. Clear? Hello? ఒక పని చేద్దాం సార్. వినండ్రా, పాజిటివ్ టేబుల్ में आओ. आए, यहां देखो बाबा. फर्स्ट वैल्यू एंत्रा. फर्स्ट वैल्यू बाबा 0.5. लास्ट वैल्यू అంటే नियरेस्ट वन, दैट इज नियरेस्ट. अब मेरे को क्या होना, सुनो वापिस. फर्स्ट वैल्यू क्या है? 0.5. लास्ट वैल्यू ఈ 0.95 ఎక్కడ ఉంది చూడాలి. చూడండి రా, చంప్ अच्छे से देखो. 0.95 ఎక్కడ ఉంది? एग्जैक्ट ఉండదు. एग्जैक्ट नहीं मिलता आपको. देखो यहां पे, अब यहां देखो रे, ఇక్కడ ఉంది, ఇక్కడ కూడా ఉంది. విచ్ హ్యావ్ అండర్లైన్. చెక్ करो. 0.9495, 0.95, 053. వినండి ఇప్పుడు, వినండిరా. విచ్ ఈస్ క్లోజర్ టు దిస్ వాల్యూ రా? ఈ రెండులో ఏ పిచ్చి ఫెలోస్, ఈ రెండు వాల్యూస్ లో విచ్ ఈస్ క్లోజర్ టు 0.95. मैथमेटिक्स नहीं आता क्या रे? 9495 because difference is 50. इधर difference is 53. हेलो, अरे 95 अंटे 00 कर लो बाबा इसको. मेरे को क्या होना? मेरे को ये वैल्यू होना टेबल में. that value which is the closest to the probability. అర్థమైతుందా? which is closest? In the international book the difference was same, but in this table the difference is here 50, 53. We will take the nearest one. Which is the nearest one? 1.6 paina ante z value is 1.64. అర్థమైందా? The z value is 1.64. With this, second class student also can find out the desired value now. सिगुलेदा करो रे. हाँ बोलो. 40. This is the answer what he wants. सुनो, when you write bracket में write something so that you understand how the value has been derived. Write some story so that later on you will understand ये value आया कहाँ से. Please do that. We should take the nearest value to that 0.95. जो भी नियरेस्ट है, एग्जैक्ट कभी नहीं मिलता, नियरेस्ट ही मिलेगा आप लोग को. Shall we try one more? वापिस बोल रहा हूं, write something in the bracket so that you understand how did I get 1.64. चलो, example number I told how many examples will do? 10 बोला था मैं, 10 कराता हूं. Continue. What will be the expected duration of the project? What will be the duration of the project when the probability is 75%? When the probability is 75%. Correct. जीरो 0.67 आया. Z वैल्यू 38 वॉट एवर 38.02 जो भी है तो है, क्या करते हैं. कंटिन्यू करूं गाइस? हेलो, एग्जाम्पल 9. कंटिन्यू. आपको इजी लग रहा है सर, पूरा इजी हो जाता. व्हेन आई स्टार्ट प्रॉब्लम्स यू कैन डू ऑन योर ओन ऑल द प्रॉब्लम्स नाउ, बिकॉज कॉन्सेप्ट समझ में आ गया आप लोग को. एग्जाम्पल 9, कॉपी पेस्ट एग्जाम्पल 8 ओनली एंड द परसेंटेज इज 50% नाउ. 50. कॉपी पेस्ट द 8th example only for the 9th example, but the percentage will be 50%. You need not do answer array, we already kept it ready somewhere. 34 each आना. सुना this I will do, easy लगता मेरे को. Z is equals to desired value minus mean by sigma. Mean is 34, sigma is 6. Desired value తెలవదు. Probability ఎంత? Louder రే. అంటే 0.5. That the first value. Z value कितना है? Z value so is equals to 0. 6 into 0. So desired value minus 34 is equals to 0. Wow. So desired value is equals to 34. అవును కదా? We already did this in a different manner. I'm just repeating this. And the last one, the last example, example number 10. Percentage कितना था example 9 में? Make it 30 now. 30. Same example, but the percentage will be 30%. ఎంత 30 करेक्ट 30 चिल्लर रावाली नेगेटिव లో చూడాలిరా రే बिकॉज पॉजिटिव is starting with 0.5 सो नेगेटिव में देखना वैल्यू आप उसको 0.3 को అందుకే we are doing varieties of problems रा चल कितारा पॉइंट वाट एवर वैल्यू डिजायर्ड वैल्यू कावाली 30 पॉइंट सब चिल्लर जो भी चिल्लर है z वैल्यू शुड बी इन माइनस अगेन रिपीट చేస్తున్నా z वैल्यू शुड बी इन माइनस बिकॉज नेगेटिव टेबल में ले रहे आप इतना क्या सोच रहे रे चिल्लर प्रॉब्लम को चलो यहां देखो अब डन गाइस डन यू हैव 15 minutes now any minutes louder यार come to question number 6 come to question number 6 विनंडी गाइस यहां देखो पहले पेज नंबर 10 यहां देखो एवरीवन ऑन द स्क्रीन व्हाट इज दिस एक्टिविटी ये क्या है ए అంటే ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చాడు సో బ్రాకెట్ మీట్లో T0 M बोल के ఇచ్చాడు TM B इच्छाड़ो TP ये सब दिया यस सर नो बोलो बाबा सो आपको क्या करना है सुनो ये पूरा उतारना है दिस इज गिवन दिस इज यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट लाउडर you have to find out with the duration you will draw the along with EL find the various find the also find till here कर लेते उसके बाद read the bit number A draw the this is the diagram bit number B అంటే ఈఎన్ఎల్ ఎవ్రీ నోడ్ కి కావాలి నంబర్ 3 బిఫోర్ అంటే విత్ ఇన్ फोर्थ वन एक्सीडिंग అంటే बिट नंबर ही छोड़ दो दैट्स नॉट फॉर योर लेवल right now tomorrow we have one specific problem for this we did 10 examples he is asking only 2 of those within 31 weeks beyond but to do that ये पूरा ready रहना पहले you have 15 minutes do please I am here only गलती नहीं होना Chalo, I'll give you the basic values so that you can continue your answers. I have a class, I'll go. This is the critical path. बोलो रे. Standard deviation is 5. I'm just giving the values. Bit number C. Bit number C. 15.87%. And bit number D 2.28%. Please do it on your own, no problem. You have to get these values. If not, we'll see tomorrow. But you'll complete the problem, then only you will leave. Take your own time, no problem. Thank you so much.